What is behind the pressure on the stock, Alex?
People are not buying into this story. When Snap went out on March 1st and sold its shares, it promised growth. It promised innovative products within its disappearing photo app, but it didn't tell investors what exactly it intended to roll out. You've seen incremental moves from them. They bought Zenly earlier last month to add mapping skills in there. They've minted deals with the likes of Time Warner, who's spending $100 million on their ads and for video production on Snap over the next 2 years. But investors have not been convinced. I mean, the thing that I continue to go back to is this constant fight between what Snap has to offer and what the likes of Facebook and its Instagram has to offer. And when you look at the numbers, in June, Instagram came out and said their Stories product, which is very similar to Snapchat Stories, Instagram Stories has 250 million daily active users. Snapchat as a whole has just 166 million daily active users. So when you think about where the growth is coming from, if the incremental changes within the app itself are not enough to convince investors, which they haven't been, then you've got to win on user growth, and Snap hasn't been winning the battle there either.
And what about international growth, where Snap is seriously lagging?
They are, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that a lot of international smartphone users are on the Android platform, and that's a platform that Snap had trouble with, especially at the end of 2016. They say that they're rolling out changes in those areas, but again, it's another front where they seem to be losing out to the competition. And when you're constantly fighting for where to share your short videos, your disappearing videos, and now you have the big competitor like Facebook and its Instagram on your heels, basically matching Snap step for step. Again, investors are not convinced that it warrants a valuation upwards of $20 billion, which is where, you know, frankly, at a stock that priced at 17 in its IPO, you'd expect that they would be valued at more than that, and not at the close that we saw today, just under that $17 price.